few years, but I'm definitely glad I came back to race it, and I'm definitely enjoying it. The track's fast and very enjoyable. Plus the accommodation is great too.
It's always been a good track. It is fun. It's fast. So yeah.
Oh, just a great race. I mean, this is one we won't miss. When G-Turbo sponsored it now for quite a number of years, and we'll continue to do so as long as we're welcome, and yeah, can't wait for the next one.